Welcome to my tutorial for setting up your chemistry portfolio on Google Sites. First, open your Google Drive and select New, More, Google Sites. This will open a blank Google site after you click OK. In the top left, where it says Enter Site Name, enter your class period first, then your English name. I'm going to make this site for Niels Bohr, and he's in period 2. Once I hit enter, the title of the page will automatically change. Next, give your site a title. Use your imagination. If you hover over the title banner, you will see some options for formatting. Here, you can upload an existing picture or search Google for one. I'm going to use the search feature by clicking Change Image, selecting Search, and typing in my search phrase. On the home page, you will be keeping a learning log. On the right-hand side, click Text Box and type Learning Log. You can play with the font by clicking on the text box, and you can format the background by selecting the Artist's Palette button on the left. Add a second box for the entry title and date. The title should relate to the day's activities in class, and the date should be the day that you did the activity. Then, add one more text box for the body of your entry. You will be answering the 5 questions in the lesson document each time. You can reposition the items on your page by dragging and dropping them. You will want to keep the most recent item at the top of the page under the Learning Log banner. Now we want to add a new page for this unit. On the right, click Pages and click the Add Page button. You will enter the unit number and title and click Done to create the page. You will see a new page appear at the top of your site next to where it says Home. Next, let's create a subpage in the Unit 9 page. In the Pages tab, hover over the Unit 9 page and click on the 3 dots on the right. Select Create Subpage and give it a title. You will be creating a subpage for each activity we do in class. Once you have your subpage, create a text box and type the big question for the activity into the box. Add another area for data tables, graphs, and observations. These can be typed out in a text box, or you can insert files from your drive by clicking the Insert tab, selecting From Drive, and selecting the appropriate file. Next, insert your group's CER slide by inserting the file from your drive. And then insert your YouTube link to your video CER by selecting Google Embed and YouTube in the Insert tab. You can preview your site by selecting the Preview button at the top to see how it looks on a phone, tablet, or computer screen. You may play with formatting, pictures, backgrounds, and fonts to give your site a personal touch. Next, you will need to publish your site. Click Publish and enter a site location. Select who can view your site, and if you want it to be discoverable in a search. If the site location is available, the Publish button will become live. If it doesn't, then someone else already has that location and you will need to change yours. Finally, open your published site, navigate to the home page, copy the URL, and enter it into the form linked in the class document. Congratulations! You have created your chemistry portfolio for this year. Be sure to keep it updated. Thank you for watching.